So hello guys and good morning from Mulki. Waking up in a place like this feels so awesome. It is so peaceful and you get that countryside vibe in here. So today will be our first day of our surfing learning session and we will continue this for the next 5 days. So it's around 7 o'clock in the morning here and they will be taking us in a vehicle from here to a beach where we will be learning our first classes of surfing today. So let's see what happens, and the place here guys is so awesome. So the place that we have booked for our surfing classes is the Indica Surf School in Mulki. I'll be pasting the link of their website in the description box below, and you can use that link for your bookings as well as for any information that you wanted to go through.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द ले सको तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते surreal. It's surreal.
The founding stone of surfing in India is basically laid by this person named Jack Havner, who is also called as the Surfing Swami. He was the first one to bring this sport on India's shores back in 1976 through his travels. He also established India's first surf club, which is called as the Mantra Surf Club in 2004 here in Mulki itself. So you guys remember Dhruva? I introduced him some minutes back. He was one of the first surfers on the west coast of India, and he was one of those guys who was taught by the Surfing Swami himself. So in around 2014, Surfing Swami established the Surfing Swami Foundation, which is a non-profit organization dedicated to helping teach surfing to the local community and unconditional awareness to the society. We got lucky to meet a few locals here, and everyone we interacted with was extremely kind and simple-hearted. And I cannot miss mentioning that they have the nicest smiles. So the next time when you are in Mulki, don't shy away from smiling at a stranger, and you will not be disappointed. We also got to see and learn the level of consciousness, mindfulness, and helpfulness of the community they live in. Be it our hosts, the locals, or our instructors, the level of passion that they show towards the sport is simply inspiring. They live and breathe surfing, which makes it a perfect place to learn it. We really admire the patience of our instructors and how they guide you throughout the sport, which can initially make you feel a bit overwhelmed. But before you know it, in the next few days, you see yourself growing at it, and they are right at the back cheering for all the small achievements that you achieve. And just like that, on the sixth day, as the sun sets on the majestic Arabian Sea, with a heavy heart, we had to say goodbye to this lovely place and people.